Down in the lowlands, in the swamps beside the rivers, lives the 12-wired bird of paradise. He comes to his display post in the early dawn. This is the bird I used to think had been drawn so inaccurately, but the old illustration was right. The wires, the quills, are indeed bent back in a tangle. The female doesn't have them. But do bent-back quills appeal to a female? They're hardly beautiful. Courtship seems to be some kind of game, a variation of I'm the king of the castle, perhaps, only with a very special prize. He deliberately brushed her face with his rear quills. He's doing it again. It seems that she prefers to be seduced not by visual thrills, but by tactile ones. And after the quill flick, the beak poke. It may be an odd technique, but it works.